Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking the exact strike details in YouTube Studio so you know what you're fighting. Open the copyright section and note whether it's a manual claim, content ID match, or DMCA takedown. This changes your options. Once you have that, download and organize original project files, licenses, purchase receipts, or performer releases, anything proving your right to use the material. Make sure to timestamp the evidence and back it up. Having clean documentation speeds up appeals and prevents delays. Now choose the correct appeal route based on what you discovered. If you own the rights or have a valid license, prepare a counter notification or formal appeal and include exact timestamps, file names, and proof of ownership. Explain briefly why the claim is invalid. If you license the clip, upload the license to the support form and ask for a manual review. If it appears to be an honest mistake, send a professional message to the claimant via YouTube and request a retraction while you file an appeal. Finish by actively following up. Watch your email and YouTube messages for responses and reply promptly because time windows matter. If the appeal succeeds, confirm strike removal and restore functionality. If it fails, weigh options. Consult legal counsel, submit a counter notice, or remove and replace the disputed clip or audio in the short. One troubleshooting tip: if matches persist despite ownership, re-edit or replace the segment with cleared audio and reupload to avoid ongoing content ID flags and future strikes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.